Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to do some things with some paint, and all we're going to really do here is some things with black and white paint, just again to loosen up. So I'm just going to take some black paint and again just really make some marks. Let's see what we can do just to loosen up before we get into colour. Just want to have a play with some black paint and maybe then some white paint. Again, we're just playing, we're just going to see what's going to happen. Nothing, no plan, it's just possibilities. And to get the feel of the paint again, because if we haven't done this for a while, you know, it's unfamiliar. Now I'm using acrylics. I've kind of watered these down a little so they're not too strong in colour. And just kind of playing to see, you know, how this will work out. Now I can do lots of different things when I'm doing this. I can do some things with the end of the brush. I'm basically playing. I haven't got a plan, I'm just playing. I'm thinking, okay, nice different tones of grey into black. And then I might wash this out and then go really white on top of it. You know, what will happen? What marks can I make, really? We're really looking at making marks, not having something specific. But you'll notice that then things start evolving as you go, which is always the interesting thing. You know, we naturally can do this. We don't have to actually think about it too much. I always kind of think that we have two ends of the scale, the skill side and the creative side. If we could just come in on the skill side, we start there and things aren't going according to plan. Tendency then is to get kind of a bit despondent and give up. Whereas if we come in on the creative side, we're just experimenting and we're having fun and we're learning as we go. You start developing the skills from a different point of view. And it makes it so much more interesting and you're so much more motivated and excited to do more. So there's just something and nothing, just playing, seeing what happens with the different tones of black and white. So now I'm going to do some other things which are interesting. I've just got again some watered down black with here. Now I'm just going to grab my roller if I can find it. And this is an interesting little thing to play with. It's just a roller, you can get it from any art shop normally. And this is where fun starts, because what I'm going to do with the roller, I'm going to do a few different things, but it can make it really, really fun. First of all, I've got this board. I use this as my palette, but I can also use it as a printing block with my roller. It's basically a piece of board with a bit of plastic underneath, on top, sorry. And I've just taped it at the back. But it's great for a palette because you can get rid of the paint, and it's great for what I want to do here. So basically, if you just see, I'm just going to roller a bit of paint here. Okay, and just gently put that over there. Now, with the end of my brush, I can draw into this. It becomes really kind of interesting. Then I'm going to get a piece of paper. I want to get the white in it, just pull it down here a bit. And I'm going to put this paper over there and just press it down. And then you'll see what's going to happen. And remember, we're just playing. This is just experimenting and playing. So we've got some kind of interesting thing going on. You know, I might just go over it again. I might do something else in here. And then see what happens. Okay. And go over this again. Let's do it this way this time. So just by doing some very, very simple things, you can have a lot of fun. You see, look at that. And then I might paint into here a bit, see, you know, what might happen. I might put some white paint in here. So I'm just playing, it's just experimenting. Let's see what's going to happen. You know, when you were a child, you just used to play. You didn't have like a, you know, it's got to be like this and it should be like that. It just is, and it's fun. And you know, you just never know what's going to occur after a little time, just playing and seeing different things going on. What I might do now is I might take a bit of this white paint and roller the white paint in, and then I'm going to go into here. See, I'm just having fun, which is the whole point of the exercise. Let's just have fun. And I slid it a bit there so it might go. Let's have a look. Wow. Now you see, have a look at that. What lovely, lovely texture. I love that. And then I'll go in on this side. Let's go here. Then what are we going to do with this? So we've got all these nice things. Look at that. Oh, I think that's really cool. So the next stage, I'm going to show you what you can do with these experiments that you're making from playing. So we've done our drawing. We've done some just painting on the paper, and now we've done some interesting fun things just to play with. Okay? So next stage is what to do with them.